with them. There's Long Pond. The wind is howling right now.
I'm gonna go see the water.
Yeah, where are you going? Feed them, Lila.
I'll go get some peanuts.
Okay, go get some peanuts. I'm gonna see, we saw moose on the other side. Will soon be able to pick them up, I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Where is it? Oh, Dad, where is he?
Hmm? See if you can get them to come right up to you. Ed, turn sideways so I can see you. Nope, you just scared him off. He'll be back.
Well, you said to turn sideways.
Yeah, I know. He'll be back. Lila, sit over here. Lila, sit down over here. You eating them all? Turn sideways so I can get him when he comes in closer. Yeah. Maybe. He'll be back.
There goes right there. I'm gonna see show. And my cozy's track the whatever it's called, thing on barbers. Chipmunk. My feet track chipmunk. Because they think, what I think is they like my feet. They look like peanuts.
Mm-hmm.
Big ones. Huh?
Where is he? Do you see him?
No. Dad.
What? Oh, there goes Eddie. You got that.
Did you take that?
Yep.